Okay, as you can see, I added the functions that it required today. The build navbar, I changed these out to be products, and then I changed out this line so it also has the and type in there. So then I went to the product module and I added get products by category type, the select from inventory where category ID in select category ID from categories where category names equal cat type. And then it goes down here and it's gonna, when it calls for the products, it fetches all the products and returns the products, or at least it's supposed to. Here I have the category type, the category case, where it filters through the types and it pulls the products which we get from the type here. Oh, Let me go back here. Okay, yes, I did call that type. Sorry, I was a little confused for a minute there. So it should pull up all my products, because if there isn't a product, it'll say, sorry, no product can be found. But if there is, it's supposed to build product display from products, and I'll go back here to function, and here it is, function build products display products. So there's all of that. Yeah. Okay. So that's what's supposed to happen. And I put the echo in here to see if it's working. Echo product display and to exit. But when I'm in here, let me just retype this in to make sure it's got everything up to date. I click and there's nothing. It will say view our missed product line or our rocket product line or our rotten product line, but it doesn't show anything. So I don't know what's going on. I'm a little confused.